Good morning, everyone. It is a blindingly hot. I don't know, does that make sense? It is so hot out today. It is Monday morning, and this past weekend I got a couple of calls from people who are interested in living in a gated community where the HOA fee includes lawn care. And believe it or not, that's not that common here, but I do know of one community that I'm standing in right now, and we're gonna go check it out and see what is available here. Welcome back, everyone. My name's Krista. I'm a realtor here in Central Florida, and if you're interested in all things related to moving to Central Florida, buying a home, getting financing, be sure to click subscribe. I put up weekly videos. So today I went and toured a new home community built by Freedom Homes, which is a division of DR Horton. This is a low maintenance community, so for your $191 per month HOA fee, it does include lawn care. There's a beautiful swimming pool, which I'll show you, lakes in the community, and it is gated. So what I did was I toured the model home, and then I went and checked out two currently available inventory homes. So let's get started by looking at the model home. This particular model is just over 1,700 square feet.
And all you need is a noodle.
So right now we're standing right inside the front hallway, and off to our left there is a guest bathroom with a guest bedroom right next to it. Right there's a little area for your keys next to the garage. And this is a flex space that can be used as an office or, well, whatever you need it for. Let's check out the kitchen, and I do want to point out that this is a base model, so of course it's decorated nicely and there's some wallpaper and paint colors that you wouldn't find, but this is not an outrageously overdone model home. Here's a nice light-filled dining room with a really wide sliding door. Can't really tell from this angle. Pavers are standard in the back patio and in the driveway. This is a 2-bedroom with bonus room model, and this is our master. It's a walk-in shower and a double sink. Not really a step there, maybe a slight step down. Here's a really spacious master closet, and my favorite feature, which is that the laundry room is right off of and connected to the master bedroom closet. How convenient is that? So, behind me is one of the units that's currently ready. This is the same model that I just showed you, and there are 2 of these available, and we're going to quickly take a look at each of them. They are available for quick move-in. So this home is reversed from the first one that we looked at, from the model home, and this home is listed at $313,740, and it is available for immediate move-in. This, I think it's quartz, it's sparkly, it's really, really pretty in person. And here's the other Bristol model that is currently ready for immediate move-in, and it is listed at $311,740. The difference is the kitchen cabinetry and the flooring is a different color. A very pretty kind of rusty color in that quartz. It's very, very pretty in person. And those same pretty finishes have been used in the bathrooms. I'm going to leave you with some beautiful shots of this swimming pool. Now, if you have any questions about this community or any other new home community, please reach out to me. Send me an email, a fax, a text, whatever is easiest for you. Here's my contact details, as well as in the description below.